Meaning of issuer.
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 Issuer. Issuer refers to an entity or person that creates and offers securities, such as stocks, bonds, or other financial instruments, to be sold on the market. The issuer can be a corporation, government agency, or another organization that needs to raise capital. The term issuer is often used in the context of finance and investing. When a company issues stock, for example, it is selling shares of ownership in the company to the public in exchange for capital to invest in its business operations. The issuer is responsible for following certain regulations and disclosing information about the security being issued, such as its potential risks and returns.